Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Frigidaire smart appliances to SmartThings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect your Frigidaire smart appliances to SmartThings, start by ensuring both your SmartThings app and Frigidaire app are downloaded on your smartphone. Open the SmartThings app and sign in with your Samsung account, or create one if you don't have it yet. Next, open the Frigidaire app and log in using your Frigidaire account. Make sure both your appliances and smartphone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. In the SmartThings app, tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select Add Device from the options provided. Look for Frigidaire under the available brands. Choose the specific type of appliance you want to connect. Follow the prompts to put your Frigidaire appliance into pairing mode. This usually involves pressing and holding a button on the appliance for a few seconds. Once your appliance is in pairing mode, return to the SmartThings app. The app will search for nearby devices. When your Frigidaire appliance appears, select it from the list. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the connection process. After successfully connecting, you may be prompted to assign a name or location for your appliance in the SmartThings app. To ensure everything is working correctly, test the connection by using the app to control your appliance. If you encounter any issues, consult the troubleshooting section of both the SmartThings and Frigidaire apps for assistance. Once connected, your Frigidaire smart appliances will be ready to integrate with your SmartThings ecosystem, allowing for easier management and automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.